Hey, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Let me ask you a few questions today.
Sure, go ahead.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up around 7 in the morning on weekdays.
Do you wake up early on weekends too?
Not really. On weekends, I usually wake up a little later, maybe around 8 or 9.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing I do is check my phone and then make a cup of coffee.
Are you working or studying right now?
I'm currently working full time.
What kind of work do you do?
I work in an office where I mostly deal with computer related tasks.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, most of the time I do. It can be stressful sometimes, but I like learning new things.
What do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I like watching movies, listening to music, or going for a walk.
Do you prefer spending time alone or with friends?
I enjoy both, but I think spending time with friends is more fun.
What kind of food do you like the most?
I really enjoy simple homemade food.
Do you like cooking?
I like cooking sometimes, but I'm not very good at it yet.
What is the last thing you cooked?
The last thing I cooked was pasta.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading books and learning new skills online.
How often do you read books?
I try to read at least a few pages every day.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I really enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate with people from different countries.
What is the most difficult part of learning English for you?
I think speaking confidently is the most challenging part.
How do you practice speaking English?
I try to watch English videos and practice speaking out loud.
If you could learn any new skill, what would it be?
I would love to learn how to play the guitar
That sounds interesting. Why guitar?
because I love music and playing an instrument would be really fun.
Thank you for answering all these questions.
My pleasure. It was a fun conversation.
I hope our viewers learned something today.
Yes, and we encourage everyone to practice speaking every day.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.